Assalamualaikum and hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing Machbirdz Singapore Airlines Airbus A310-300. Okay, this is a 1 to 400 scale. The registration is 9V-STA, which is this is the limited edition.
Oh my god! Wow!
Which is they only make 2,000 pieces. Okay, for this model. Okay, let's look at the box. It is the front of the box. At the back, this is same aircraft, different registration, which is 9V STZ, which is I decided to take this or do this 9V STA. Okay, it's all the same. Only the difference is the registration number. Okay, at the sides, so same. Okay, this is the side. They tick already. The 9V-STA. Okay, without further ado, let's unbox it. Let's see how cool it is. Okay, this is the content of the box. Okay, no instruction manual, just this. This is for protection. And here it is. This is the model itself. As you can see here, the detail is good. It even have the antenna. Okay, the door, just the Alliance logo. See the amount of good details here. The cargo door, the engine. Okay, the registration, the tail logo, even the winglet, wingtip. We also have amount of good detail. Only, I think this model does not have major issue. The only issue is the engine is too close to the ground. Okay, if you know in your life in the car also got the lowered version. Okay, this is lowered version of the aircraft, I suppose. Okay, the detail. We also have the cargo door, which is not bad for 1 to 400 scale, which is smaller than 200 scale. As we can compare to the resin plastic, which is some of them does not have the good detail like this. If you want buy model that scale 100 200 that have good detail, by the diecast model, which is it is cost more than usual. Okay, that's why the resin plastic more cheaper than diecast. So if you have money, then just buy it. Don't think twice. Regret later. Okay. And the landing gear, I think it's not tolerable. There is also a minus. I think it's okay. Okay. As you know, this is the shorter version of the A300. And compared to the other aircraft, which is this is more, you can see the difference of the length. As example, A330, which is more larger than this. So yes, that's all for my review today. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel. Okay, click the subscribe button below and the bell so you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and see you soon in next video. Thank you and goodbye.